It's a sour taste in it. It's a sour taste. To be fooled again, honey. To be fooled again. Stole my heart and ripped it into pieces.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning into another hair tutorial. Let me tell y'all, I am in love with this big hair. Do y'all see it on me? And the sad part is eating. But let me tell you one thing. I looked at the playback on my computer, and let me tell y'all, this lace is eating. It is eating, like, and I metal this so good. I didn't even want to do no baby hair. So this is what you get. This is what you see when it comes to this company. This is SVT hair, y'all, and they didn't come to play when it came to this lace and this curl. Okay, a 13x6 lace, and it is a 26-inch. Y'all, go run down the description bar below and go purchase this wig right now. I'm telling you. And I didn't really do too much to it because I feel like when I do want to rewear this wig, I can do cutting and styling and stuff like that. I just want to keep it very simple, no layers, no nothing, and show you its natural state and exactly how it looks. I want to explain more in this tutorial, so if y'all want to see how I achieve this look and melt this lace down just like this, then please keep on watching. Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning into another hair tutorial. So we have SVT today, and this is an AliExpress brand. They were kind enough to sponsor this video. So today is featuring SVT company, and they sent me over a 26-inch 180% density 13x4 lace frontal. It is a deep wave wig, and you can wet this hair, so it's basically wet and wavy. So they sent that over, and it also looks so good. Look at the lace, look at the cap, everything is constructed perfectly. And y'all, let's put this on. However, you know, I had to go ahead and do some plucking and constructing, so I did go ahead and bleach and pluck it off camera. But it's now time to put this on. They sent over some wig caps and also some lashes in the bag. So I went ahead and I put this wig cap on. It was kind of hard for me to do this because I do not have a mirror in front of me, y'all. So please bear with me. And as you can see, I'm in my room because I'm in the process of moving. So yes, everything is just like not available for me at the moment, but it will be soon. I went ahead and sprayed some lace spray to melt this wig cap down, y'all. Y'all know the process. Let's get into it. Child, you know it's real when I had to sip on some Jamaican Me Happy. Okay, coolers. So it is a mirror on the side of me, but y'all won't be able to see me cutting because I have to look on the side. Cap is dried and cut. I did go ahead and add some more of that spray, but on the tip of my comb to melt the edges down. What this does is just gets everything seamlessly melted in and ready for this wig. And as you can see, I didn't spray the back because I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just leave it alone. I just went ahead and sprayed just the front only. But if you want to do the back, go ahead and do so. I am going to go ahead and take this Ruby Kisses, y'all, cream. It's a makeup cream. I use the darkest one to match my skin. Okay, we want to match the skin. The same thing you do on the cap, you're going to go ahead and do it on the wig. And sometimes the lace can be too white, so you definitely want to go ahead and take some makeup to melt it into your skin. And no matter what type of lace it is, you still just want to do this step to ensure a good melt. I went ahead and tried the cap on before I actually put the makeup on the lace. And I combed it just to see how everything is going. Like, is it good? Is it lined up good? Like, is it melting? And boom, the makeup is on. And you see how it is blending into my skin, into my forehead. Yes, baby, that wig definitely ate. Okay, so if you're not shopping SVT, go ahead and do so in the description right below. All right, so now it's time to melt this baby down. I did go ahead and position it to where I want to lay it down, and then I went ahead and added some Ericka J watermelon and glue. This is their meltdown, and yes, it smells just like watermelon. I'm adding 2 coats because I really don't want the wig on that long, so I'm adding 2 coats, and I added it from the middle to the other ear, and then again to the middle to the right ear, to the left and right ear. Y'all get what I'm saying. And make sure you come in those corners above the ear.
Wait until it is clear. Let me say this again. Wait until it is clear. Then you want to go ahead and lay it down. After you lay it down, you're going to go ahead and put your band on. Let that dry a little bit. I did go ahead and blow. What? I did go ahead and blow dry it, and then I also just let it sit for a little bit, and I removed my band. And look at the melt. Now, I told y'all I didn't have a mirror in front of me, so I had to use my handheld mirror, and I tried my best. But when I cut this lace off, do y'all see the melt? Okay, do y'all see that? Y'all can go ahead and add some more makeup to the lace on top of it, because we only added it under it. That is what's going to get that melt, okay? What it's going to do, it's going to blend, and that's what you want. Look at it. That lace melted into the skin, okay? Oh my God. When I tell y'all, this 8, go ahead and shop that wig. Went ahead and put my band on, and then boom, y'all, makeup 8 delivered. Oh, do y'all see that? I want to keep this very simple because I did not want to do a side part, middle part, simply because I wanted to put this wig back on. So I just want to keep it simple and show y'all how the lace melted and how these curls are about to be popping when I put this water in it. I hot combed the front because I wanted it sleek, and look y'all, I didn't even add no layers. These are the curls, y'all. This is how it is wet, and this is how it is dry. Either way you can slay it, but also you can add some African Pride curling clustered to it, and it's going to basically make the curls stay. I didn't have that at the moment, but definitely try that. But water, just adding a little water, it's definitely giving very much Nicki Minaj vibes. Okay, that is it. I hope that y'all like, and I'm gonna see y'all on the outro.
Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe. I want all of y'all here, okay? I want everyone who enjoys these tutorials to come subscribe, to come join us, okay? Why wouldn't you? Don't forget to go check out SVT here in the description bar below. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next
AliExpress is now having biggest sale of the year. Singles Day sale from Nove. 11 Saint, November 17th. Thousands of wig selections are up to 50% OFF. You can click the link in my D box to get this wig and use code SW30 to get this wig for $73.73. This wig is from AliExpress SVT. It's an affordable deep wave frontal wig in 13x4 lace to 6 inches. More codes are in my D box. Hurry up before they run out. And if you want to find more wigs of good quality and of good price, open your AliExpress app and search SW30 to find more influencer pics.